Tired of drowning in paperwork and payroll headaches? Let's transform that chaos into streamlined success with Gusto. First things first, let's get you acquainted with the Gusto dashboard. Notice the intuitive layout on the left. You'll find your main navigation. Click Employees to view your team roster, where you can easily add new hires. To add a new employee, click Add Employee. Adding a new team member is a breeze. Simply input their information, including their name, contact details, and salary. Gusto securely handles all the necessary paperwork, like W-4 South and I-9 South. Click Save to add them to your team. Now, let's run payroll. Navigate to the Payroll tab. Here, you can review employee hours, add any bonuses or deductions, and approve payroll. With just a few clicks, Gusto automatically calculates and files your payroll taxes. Finally, schedule your payments based on your preferred payment day. Gusto also simplifies benefits administration. Explore the benefits section to offer health insurance, 401k plans, and more. Gusto integrates with leading providers to offer competitive rates and easy enrollment. Need insights into your workforce? The Reporting tab provides detailed reports on payroll, taxes, and employee demographics. Use this data to make informed business decisions and optimize your HR strategy.